What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. It's glad to see all your bright, smiling faces this morning. Time is currently 6:05 a.m., and we're gearing up to go down to the 2025 National Farm Machinery Show. It is a wet and gloomy day outside, but we're planning on having lots of fun inside. Got our John Deere gear on today, and we're planning on having a good time. We're hoping you ride along with us, check out all the highlights and the new latest and greatest equipment, and see what all we're going to bring home today. Kat's all ready to go, and she's wanting to go with us, but unfortunately, no pets allowed. So why don't you guys sit back and relax, come for the ride, and let's check out what's going on at the show this year. We're stopping for breakfast. It's pretty wet out here, ain't it, Emmy? Jaden, I hope you got your camera face on today.
Are you vlogging?
I sure am. I sure am. You ready, Emmy? You're gonna have a good day.
Now can we go?
All the cool stuff is on the other side. We can see right now.
How about I just take this and set it up in the dining room again?
It's fine. Call for the rest.
Oh yeah, that's what I do these days.
Oh, look at the poor sap that got stuck down there.
Hey, you want to see a rainstorm on the cotton field?
Oh, real life effects.
You need to see how long that farm display is.
Look at it.
It's cool.
Where's the?
It's time to go. They done sold out. You ready to go spend some money? So, Emmy, how much money did you spend today?
$30.
Yeah, we haven't even made it to the fun part yet, and we've already spent way too much. That's just part of it, right? You ready to go, Emmy?
That'd be why some small riding boy there. 30 inch.
Did you see how big this one is? I think a little bit of red on the farm would look good. A blade like this would be very beneficial. Triple hydraulics. I think we can move a lot of dirt with this thing. Who needs a mirror when you got a trailer? That's the wrong color, green. It's still nice and shiny.
So Tola.
All right, guys, I'm here at the Quick Strip booth here at the Farm Machinery Show. I'm with Mr. Gary here. He's going to show you guys a quick clip of what he's got going on with his wire strippers here. I can tell you firsthand that these things work, and they are amazing, and I highly recommend them. So if you want to sit and watch him do his demonstration, me and him would greatly appreciate it. I'm sure he would really appreciate it, seeing as how he's a veteran-owned company. Sit back and enjoy.
Alrighty, these are self-adjusting wire stripper, no die holes, no adjustments, does up to 10 gauge. Maybe doing real small stuff, LED wires, alarm wires, 26 gauge stranded, 4 at a time without nicking a strand. Cutters here. Now you guys have probably done this where you've spliced in the middle of a wire, just pass the jaw over, that opens up nice and clean in the middle of the wire. If you're doing a trailer light repair, just go right back, self-adjust, that quick and easy. Does up to 10 gauge wire. Here's 10 gauge right here, that quick and easy. If you're doing connectors where you need the same amount stripped off every time, we've got a stop right here. Adjust that stop for the length of strip you need. Put the wire so it hits that stop. You got the exact amount going in every connector. Also, if you're in a tight spot, under a dash or working in a tight compartment, short wire, most strippers wouldn't fit. Our tool, you can nose right in there quick and easy. Cutters right here, and this is our website, quickstrip.info. We're a veteran-owned company. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You bet.
Well, combine's cool. Yeah, that's a cool sculpture. If it was cold out, that would come in handy, but it's pretty hot in here today.
It's a totally two-piece. American made, yeah. You know what it is?
It's a Ford, man.
It is a Ford.
It's a
actually.
Ford.
It's a 350 diesel, but it's a Storm Chaser.
Six,
tornado truck.
6'7"?
Yeah,
I was gonna say if it's a 6'4", it'd be stranded in the middle of it.
for sure. It's a 6.7 and it's running our DCR pump in it, so you know it's going to be more reliable.
You winning a?
Yep, thank you.
You giving away a chance to ride in it?
Not today.
Oh man.
Reed's in Mississippi right now, storm chasing. He just drove it from Oklahoma.
So where do they keep the flux capacitor?
Yeah, in the back.
Really?
When he's actually chasing, it's got rocket launchers on top to launch sensors up into the tornadoes and stuff.
So Twisters was real.
A lot of the Twister stuff was based on this truck. This is the real deal truck that actually has done this for years.
Nice.
The movies are, based on these kind of things.
Hollywood's trying to become more realistic.
Yeah. Yeah. There's spikes that anchor down in the ground right there.
All you need to do now is get Glenn Powell in here to come give autographs, and you've got yourself a booth.
Yep.
I found my next truck.
I like it how it's a Ford too. So.
You take some of those.
You gonna spend some money now? Let's go see if we can find a bell spear for our quick attach that we bought last year. We just spent money at the farm show for the second year in a row. Bought a bell spear here at MDS. I'm standing right underneath their sign. But maybe next year we'll buy a set of pallet forks and have a complete lineup. But the only reason we did this is because when we bought the quick attach last year, we thought our bell spear would work, and it didn't. Because if you watched my install video, I explained that. So here we are providing a resolution of that problem. and or a solution to that problem. And hopefully it'll make our lives a little bit easier this year. Looking forward to using it.
Check number 585.
If I won that, you think I could use that as a tax write-off?
I don't know.
Hey, you got stickers from them before. Bolts and nuts. See, this is the kind of organization we need. Right there. I like the little round paper. Pull that behind my gator. You need 2 of them. Now that's cool. If we had a skid steer, I'd do it. That's cool. I think we need to buy me a skid steer. What do you think? A lot. You think I need one? I think I do too. But over here in the West Wing, there's a lot of the smaller booths over here. A lot of cool stuff to see. Not as many booths that we're interested in as in the North and South Wings, but there's one over here, Calco. We get a lot of the cattle supplies at. I'm going to stop in there here in a bit. But definitely always a fun time coming here to the show. We've got bags full of stuff that we've been buying, spending a lot of money. If you don't at least have a budget of some sort come to a show like this, then this really isn't the place for you. Especially if you're like Emily here and stopping buying stuff just on a whim. She even bought the wrong color green. I thought I taught her better than that, but I guess I didn't. That chute system on a gooseneck looks cool. I'd definitely use one of them. I did not break it, no. But he's spending more money. She literally asked if I broke the bucket. No, the cows did that. Hi, sis. She loves me. She really does. Look at that truck. Even though it's a Chevy. Still like it.
See it?
Now these are cool. I do like that. I think I need some tracks for my gator. But them are pricey too. I think I need some for my gator. That'd be cool. What's one way to make your Oliver more reliable? Swap it with a Cummins. We're gonna go see if we can find a chair for the 4020 and sit in. It's air ride. See if we can get this guy to buy me one. What do you think about an air ride seat for the tractor? I think we need one, right?
Let's just get a new tractor altogether with an air ride seat in it.
Well, that would work too. There's plenty of them here. You just choose whichever one you like. Yeah,
Early Christmas.
that's right.
Just required to see
I think we made out pretty good, didn't you? Got like 6 bags, 7 bags.
Not all mine though, so that's a plus.
Golly. Well, I think that about much wraps it up. We're gonna go use the restroom and try to head out. If you missed the show this year, you definitely missed a fun one. I tried to cover some of the interesting parts of it, and hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. So maybe we'll see you around next year. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe and tune in to the future videos. And I thank you guys for watching. Keep it between the lines. God bless you, and we'll see you later.